Hello everyone, welcome to Dunal. My name is Neelima. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up a basic React project using Webpack and Babel. These are the three steps we need to follow: installing all the dependencies, creating configuration files, writing React code, and run the application. Without further delay, let's get started. Before we get into this, install Node and Visual Studio Code in your system. Once you install Node, npm will automatically get installed in your system. After completing installation, open Visual Studio Code, create project folder. Here I am naming it as React Boilerplate. Next, open terminal using menu view output. Click on terminal. We already navigated into our project folder. Now I'm going to use npm init to set up our project to use npm. This is going to ask you a series of questions. Just leave it as default by clicking enter key, which will create a brand new package.json file in your project folder. Now I'll go ahead and install all the dependencies. Run the command npm install react DOM. These are the libraries required for React development. Next, run the command npm install Babel core Babel loader. This is a JavaScript compiler, translates React code into JavaScript code. Now run the command npm install Babel preset env Babel preset React. These are the presets for Babel. Finally, run the command npm install Webpack CLI Webpack dev server. This will bundle all JS files. Here you can see all the dependencies outlined in package.json file. Now create two folders. One is public, next one source. Under source, create app.js. Under public, create index.html and bundle.js. Now we are successfully done with the first step, installing dependencies. A quick recap. We ran 4 commands to install React, Babel, Webpack dependencies and created folder structure public and source. Second step, creating configuration files. Create webpack.config.js file, which exports JavaScript object. Starting with entry property. Entry property. This let Webpack know where the entry point of our application is. bundle.js, we get all of our final compiled code into bundle.js output file. Next, create module property. Inside module, create a rules array with one object. Here we provide three properties. This regular expression is for the file type that need to be considered for Babel compilation. Node underscore modules will be excluded from Babel compilation as they are already compiled files. Final property dev server content base, which is the absolute path of public folder. This is where we put all our project assets. Quickly create .babelrc JSON file where we mention presets for Babel. We are successfully done with the second step, creating configuration files. A quick recap. We created webpack.config.js for input-output configuration and .babelrc for presets. Third step, writing React code and run the application. Finally, we are ready to write React code. Open index.html. This is gonna be very simple HTML page. Create a div with id myapp. Refer bundle.js file using script tag. As we are going to get all our final compiled code into bundle.js file. Now I will write a basic React render function. Import React DOM and React DOM render function. The root div element. This template will be rendered and placed inside this root div element. Add a property dev server in package.json scripts object. Now you are all set to run this application. Run the application using npm run dev server command. Compiled successfully and application is available at localhost 8080. Go ahead, open browser, check the output. Welcome to React. Final recap. We installed all the dependencies using 4 npm install commands. Second step, we created webpack.config.js and .babelrc JSON file. Third step, we wrote React code and ran the application.